Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. This week we are doing a back patio. Pretty straightforward, nothing too special, but stick around for the excavation, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. Thanks for leaving us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you then, guys. Vamos a ir al otro lado para que se pegue
Es que yo estaba pensando al revés.
Sí, yo también.
Al revés que usted.
No. Pero sí. Necesito un poquito extra. Lo corto yo la medida. Un poquito extra. All right, guys, there it is. Pour went well. Poured at 7 a.m. The day is nice and warm. We got the sun hitting it from up top, bouncing off the house, going there. We'll be back tomorrow to clean things up. Came out really, really nice. Customers should be very happy with it. We're happy with how it came out. It's setting up really well. Next week we're doing another patio about the same as this, pretty straightforward, same as this, but we'll see you then, guys. Thanks for clicking on the video. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. See you then. Bye-bye.